in under service under compute here the EC2 here. Base region I'm selecting Mumbai.
Okay.
This is the EC2 console, and this is in the dashboard. You can see how many servers running. Like the instance running is 0. So if you can see for the instances, there's nothing, no instance here. So you can directly launch your instances also. Like make you launch instances. Here to get some demo. You can launch 2 servers, Windows and Linux. Okay, Windows. Here they have already AMA there. You can choose Windows. The base image is by default selected. If you want multiple also there, this means we can select. It might be for the test demo. I can use base one. So by default, T2 micro will be choosing. It's a free tier eligible. That means if you're running the server, the free tier will applicable to the server. Maybe 750 hours per month, right? If you choose some other server like T2, this other server is not eligible for free tier.
Okay.
And this is a keeper area. As I said, if you have some keeper there, then you can choose the keeper. But for the demo, we can create new keeper. Create. Windows. So the keeper is no cost actually. So we can create any number of keeper.
Okay.
And by default, you can use PIM. So if you have some putty use case, then you can use putty, but by default, you can use a PIM format. And create keeper. It asks you to store somewhere, right? I think it downloads. It got downloaded. Next, I have to click edit settings. So I'm launching my instance using VPC default. Maybe in upcoming session, I'll go out to create VPC and submit that as a network session. But for this demo, we can choose a default demo, the default VPC public subnets. Okay. So by default, I'm using auto as in public IP. That means it automatically doesn't know public IP to the server. And firewall, as I said, the security group, right? So here we can create our own security group. So by default, it will allowing in 3389. That means our RDP. This is RDP port.
Okay.
I'll allow this to here, and you want to click advanced data configuration. It's not required right now. We can go with defaults.
Okay.
Config storage like by default AWS, you get 30 GB per Windows. This is root drive. If you want additional volume, we can add new volume. You can choose an additional volume also. But our case is this demo can go with a single device.
Okay.
There are advanced details. So these are the default value. Like if you want to join your server with the domain, you can use domain. And if you want to go to spot instance, we have to choose this option. And by think that's something we can do default, so we can I'll explain later to you. Okay.
Okay.
And then if you want to have some boot of file, you need to use the data. So you can have that script here. So if you serve booting, then it will run this user data. And right side, it said give the water summary. So you're going to launch one instance using this EMI, which will type T2 micro. You're getting new firewall and sorry on 30 GB. And they're saying, yeah, in your first year, increase on 50 hours, 32 micro, 42 is in this institute on it's not okay. Our is covered, it's not an issue. It will go launch instance.
Okay.
That's it. So if you click this ID directly, you can go, it will take you into the console and the instance.
Mm.
The instance is pending right away, right now. So we have to wait for available and set as it 2.2. 2.2 is something is the first will check the hardware and second check will check the software. If two things are fine, it will say 2.2 check the software. And it's running right now, right? Choose
Mm.
what status checks. Yeah, it's running. So we have to wait for some time. Status will come to 2.2. Yeah, machine is lazing now.
Okay.
If you go to status check now, yeah, machine is lazing. First it will check the hardware and next it will check the
Okay.
software. In parallel, we can launch one more instance of the Linux. Okay.
Mm.
Launch instance. Linux. Yeah, we have multiple Linux available. Let me choose Amazon Linux. Instance type, same T2 micro.
Mm.
Keypad login. See now it says if you have already keypad, we can choose the same keypad. But if you want to create new keypad also,
Okay.
no keypad. Network settings, you edit. VPC, I choose the default VPC. Subnets, you can choose same subnets. You can also choose different subnet, but I'm choosing same subnet for our demo purpose. Yeah,
Okay.
auto as a public IP means it will automatically, it's public IP same. If you want, you can existing security too. Yeah, it's available. But if you can choose different device, create one more security group. Once you choose an Linux CMI, by default SSH is allowed for the global.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.
So by default, for Linux, if you're launching in Linux instance, 8 GB is storage, your root drive.
Okay.
Yeah, the right side here summary. One instance, like as I said, if you want to launch any instance, like the one you want to put 10, it launches 10 instance.
Okay.
Then we launch instance. It was a pending. Yeah, our Windows is ready right now. See here, 2.2 check passed. If someone asks what is 2.2 check means, the 2.2 is nothing but a health check of the server. So first check is like a system hardware, and second is software. Okay.
Okay.
Now how do we connect? For to connect, we need a public IP, right?
Mm. Yeah.
If you click that server, you can see the public. Okay. Prior to that, we need to have Windows password also, right? So how to get that password?
Yeah.
You choose this window instance, go to actions, under security, for the Windows one actually, under security, choose get Windows password. And it will prompt you to upload your private key file, which we can generate as a paper, right? Let me upload my
Yeah.
this Windows we get it.
this is RSA unit based.
Correct. RSA based token, yes, correct. So this it now showing your password. This is your administrator password. Stored somewhere in Notepad. Okay. This is a public address. Make you MSTC. Testing public. Before that, under security, actually, we created security group, right? You choose security. So security shows now. Is all for global.
Mhm.
Okay. Now then it's allow us to come and get. Let's see. Yeah. Last it the password. There we go. Server is ready.